Alright, welcome back everybody. It's been quite a while since I've done an actual video. So yesterday my wife and kids actually baked us a cake that we all enjoyed around our dinner table, and we baked a couple extra because we're going to celebrate Average Firewood Dad style. Enjoy. Not bad. Let's try the other flavor.
This is Firewood.
That was a pretty good job, babe. Alright, so welcome back again, everybody. So, yeah, it's my birthday month. I've made it another year. But most importantly, besides my birthday, today is Memorial Day. And I want everybody to take time to remember and honor those who made the ultimate sacrifice for this nation's freedom. To all those I served with, I hope you're doing well.